You have to stop living in the past, live for today and plan for tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is for people that find that they're always reminiscing on the past. They're too busy focused on how life was before, how easy life was, in the past, how much of a good person they were in the past before someone came in their life and made them this horrible person, how easier things were in the past. You have to stop living in regrets. Focusing too much on the past means that you're not giving yourself too much time to be in the present. You're not giving yourself time to enjoy the moment. We always hear live in the moment, and that's absolutely true. You can't move on from who you were. For example, if you had a difficult childhood or you've had a difficult past, you can't move on to a better future, a better tomorrow if you're constantly thinking about all those people that hurt you along the way. You're constantly thinking about how people said you would amount to nothing. That only proves them right. You have to ignore and leave things in the past. If you're trying to be the better version of yourself, you have to focus in the now and in tomorrow. What are you doing today that's making you a better you? Instead of focusing on how you were this loving person before your heart got broken, instead of focusing on how smart you were before you became financially unstable. There will be tons and tons of reasons as to why life was better before, but what are you doing today to make life better? You have to focus on things that are constantly improving ourselves, things that are constantly making us better. Yes, the past is an experience, it's part of your story, but it's not you. You can change your narrative, you can change your story, you can become who you want to be despite of what happened in the past. Your past doesn't define you. If you had a difficult situation, it doesn't mean that you're difficult now. Equally, if you had an easy situation, it doesn't mean that life will be easy now. We see so many different extremes because we don't live in the moment and we don't plan for tomorrow. For example, if you're trying to be a better version of you, you're trying to be the woman that you've always wanted to be, you're trying to be great, you have to plan for how you're going to become that. You have to take the small steps, you have to work on yourself, you have to work on mental health, you work on your physical health, and work and emotionally. Everything has to be in place. You can't focus on how great you were yesterday, but nobody knows that. People don't know how great we were yesterday. You have to constantly be showing them today and show them tomorrow. Remember, it's just a little reminder to make sure that you're not spending too much time focusing on how good you were or how bad things were. How are things today? What are you doing about today to be a better version of you? That's the key element here, to do what you can today so that you won't have to struggle tomorrow, so that you've had a difficult past. What you're doing to make sure that you don't get that in the future, or to make sure that you're working today and you're at peace, so your past doesn't define you. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what steps you're taking towards becoming a better version of yourself, and I'll see you next time.